When most women hear the word creatine, we picture a huge guy in the gym chugging a neon shaker. But that old idea is way outdated. Modern research shows creatine is actually one of the simplest, safest tools for women, especially 35 and up. As estrogen drops in our late 30s, 40s, and 50s, our muscle, bone, and brain energy naturally dip. Creatine helps refill that energy. Women naturally store less creatine than men, and most of us don't eat enough meat or fish to keep our levels full. Creatine helps women in their 20s build strength. But for women 35 plus, it becomes even more important for energy, muscle, and brain support. I used creatine wrong for years. I took it only on gym days or whenever I remembered, and I saw zero results. Creatine works through daily saturation. Once I took it every single day, everything changed. My strength went up, my muscle tone looked smoother, and my recovery between workouts felt easier. Creatine helps your muscles contract more efficiently, and those stronger contractions help support bone density. It's not just for workouts. Creatine helps you feel stronger and more stable during everyday life. Your brain uses tons of energy. Creatine helps support mental clarity, focus, and mood, especially during hormonal shifts. Your gut lining also needs energy. Creatine helps support those tight junctions, which can be helpful if you deal with bloating or IBS flare-ups. Creatine doesn't cause belly bloat. It pulls water into your muscles, not your stomach. That's why muscles look fuller and healthier. Cheap powders can upset your stomach. Look for pure creatine monohydrate so it dissolves smoothly. If you're sensitive, start small. 1 gram a day, then slowly move up to 3 to 5 grams. Slow and steady works best. Mix creatine into warm water or tea so it dissolves fully. Taking it with food can help avoid stomach discomfort. Creatine works best when you take it every day. Consistency is what fills your energy tank. Some women use higher doses for cognitive support, but that's something to discuss with your doctor first. Choose purity, stay consistent, start slow, and let your energy rebuild. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips.